Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the game build, any mods, and the server region match so you avoid mismatches. Next, confirm you have the character unlocked or the required credits. This prevents wasting time mid-process. Once done, set your controller or keyboard binds for quick character selection and ability mapping because responsiveness matters. These steps prepare you to reliably attempt the method and reduce retries, so you can move straight into the playable sequence without setup interruptions. You now perform the core sequence in a controlled match to avoid interference. First, execute the ability swap, immediately dash to cancel the animation, then chain the targeted ability cast while maintaining movement. This timing forces the engine to register Robert's combo. Make sure to practice the input chain slowly, then speed up. You need to hit small frame windows for reliable success. Once you can repeat it 3 times in a row, you'll understand the why. Animation canceling unlocks You finish by consolidating what worked. Record a clip or write exact timings and key positions so you can reproduce the method. If attempts fail, reduce network latency and graphics load, remap inputs to eliminate conflicts, then retry. This addresses the most common causes. Make sure to test after updates because patches change frame windows. If you hit a consistent bug, report it with evidence. By iterating and adjusting timing, you'll reliably get Robert working in Ability Mayhem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.